Today, we are moving into the ancient Egyptian world. So, we are going to explore the world of pyramids and mummies. Let's get started. So, to begin with, what are pyramids? Where were they? How were they? And why were pyramids built? And they were basically room for mummies inside. They were made of huge blocks of stones. Do you know? Each block of stone was as high as the shoulder length of an adult man. That they are kings, after they died, they become gods. So, to prepare for the afterlife, they made the pyramids as a stepping stone to heaven for their believed gods.